right now, critical parts of our financial system are damaged.
There was huge buildup around what a new financial plan should look like, what it should do.
Our plan will help restart the flow of credit. We are going to fundamentally reshape our program to repair the financial system. This new financial stability plan will take a comprehensive approach.
But 15 minutes into Treasury Secretary Timothy Geithner's speech, and there was this.
We will announce the details of this plan in the next few weeks.
That's when traders walked away from the TV screens.
Clearly, I wasn't moved. I thought that, with all the time they've spent planning, I would have thought it would have been a little something better.
We figured for sure we'd have the final draft, we'd have the final plan today, but for him to come out and say in a few weeks we'll know further details, that spooked the market.
After talk all week of a concrete financial plan to help rescue the economy, Wall Street came away disappointed.
By the time the announcement finally came, I think the market was expecting some more concrete details, and we really didn't get them. There was no plan for a so-called bad bank. There was no plan to directly buy the assets from these banks, and I think the market was left scratching its head saying, well, we already knew the government was planning to do something, but we don't know any more of the details right now.
Beyond the estimated $1 trillion expected to be pumped into the public and private sectors, we know little else about the specifics. Markets dropped quickly after Geithner's speech, yet they hardly blinked after the Senate approved the $838 billion stimulus plan. It seems investors have come to terms with the steep price tag, but they want to know how that money will be spent.
It's not about the amount of money to me, but I'm not an economist. It's about how they utilize the money.
We have to jumpstart the economy somewhere. We have to get the banks lending credits again, and I think the president's plan is on target, but there is a lot of spending. We're talking $800 billion, and with Geithner's plan, it's over $1 trillion. That's a lot of money.
It all comes down to accountability. Investors and the public want to make sure if it does take a whopping $1 trillion to save our economy, that it's money well spent. Bonnie Ghosh, The Associated Press, New York.